What are the symptoms of fetal heartbeat absence?
Hello and welcome to our video on understanding fetal heartbeat absence. This is a crucial topic for expectant parents and health professionals alike. Remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your pregnancy. Today, we're going to discuss the potential symptoms and signs associated with the absence of a fetal heartbeat.
What does fetal heartbeat absence mean?
The absence of a fetal heartbeat often means that the fetus is not developing as expected. This can occur due to a variety of reasons such as genetic abnormalities, maternal health issues, or complications in pregnancy. This situation can be extremely stressful and emotional, so professional guidance and support are critical.
What are the symptoms?
The absence of a fetal heartbeat might not always be accompanied by noticeable symptoms. However, some signs might suggest a problem: bleeding or spotting. Vaginal bleeding can occur in a healthy pregnancy as well, but it is also often associated with complications. Cramping. Severe abdominal pain or cramping can be another sign. Loss of pregnancy symptoms. Sudden disappearance of pregnancy symptoms like nausea, vomiting, or breast tenderness might indicate a problem. No movement. Later in pregnancy, a lack of fetal movement can be a warning sign. Remember, these symptoms don't confirm the absence of a fetal heartbeat but can be indicators that you should consult with your healthcare provider.
How is it diagnosed?
The absence of a fetal heartbeat is most commonly diagnosed through an ultrasound scan. Doctors can use ultrasound technology to visualize the fetus and listen for a heartbeat. This is generally reliable from 6 weeks of gestation onwards. However, sometimes the heartbeat may not be detectable until a bit later in the pregnancy. If the doctor can't find a heartbeat, they may recommend a follow-up ultrasound or other diagnostic tests. Understanding the absence of a fetal heartbeat can be a complex and emotional process. Always remember, you are not alone. Reach out to your healthcare provider if you have any concerns about your pregnancy, especially if you notice any of the symptoms we've discussed today. Knowledge is power, and staying informed is one of the best ways to navigate this journey. Stay tuned for more helpful videos.